We're at the KitPlus Show in Media City. I'm on the PrimeLight design stand. I'm joined by Steve. Hello, Steve. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing good, thank you, yeah.
Fantastic. So we've got a number of products you're showing here. Talk us through them.
So today we've got the ZeePrompt, which is a folding teleprompter.
Okay.
So it takes the stress out of rigging a teleprompter. It's a one-piece design.
Cool. Let me hold your
I'll show
microphone.
you how quickly it is to assemble.
Okay. I'll hold that. You've got both hands then?
Yeah, so it folds flat, completely flat, and then you just pop it off very simply.
Oh, wow.
Like that.
Screen's in there.
The screen's in there, the glass is inside it as well, so you don't have to touch the glass, you don't handle it. And it fits straight onto standard 50mm bars, so there's no base plate system needed. So it's really quick to assemble. Comes with threaded holes as well if you want to mount it onto a lighting stand. And it'll fit onto anything from a large format camera to a DSLR.
Wow. So I guess that's got the advantage of when you're shipping a kit around as well, you don't need a huge box.
Yeah, so it comes in a box as well like this.
Oh, nice.
Sorry, a case, a soft padded case. So it's really good. We know a lot of customers use it for like carry-on. They're traveling abroad with it, so it's a really simple solution. You don't have to check it into the hold.
Wow. And how much is this?
So this one is 1395.
Okay.
So you get everything. It comes with the software as well. So you get our own ZQ software.
Oh, okay.
So it's a complete solution.
Cool. And how has the software evolved? How does that differ from traditional teleprompter software, or is it?
I think it's nothing too complicated. It's quite a simple piece of software, but it's about being functional and easy to use.
Yeah.
A lot of the apps you can download from that are free or paid for even are still quite buggy and don't work very well.
Right.
And that's why we had developed our own software, was to kind of overcome some of the shortcomings of the many apps you can get.
Yeah. Cool.
And we know that it works with our system. It's a very simple system. So it's plug and play. Very easy for anyone to use.
It's very smart indeed. And you've got your VoxBox Pro there as well, which we've seen before. But tell us, for those who haven't seen it.
I mean, this is one of our hero products. We've had it at KitPlus before, and it's still a really good seller. It's ideal for down the lens interviews, which is used in documentaries. This particular one, it's been used on BBC programs like Children in Need, where you've got a contributor who needs to talk down the lens and tell quite an emotional story. So it's used for that kind of environment.
So you've got the ability for the host, effectively, who's behind the camera, to effectively appear in front of that lens when the talent is looking at it.
Yeah, and it has an effect of relaxing the talent who might be quite nervous or again, like I say, telling an emotional story. You've got a connection with the interviewer, but when they're talking, they'll be talking straight down the lens.
Yeah.
So it's a really powerful. It's a very powerful and quite trendy style of filmmaking at the moment.
Yeah. So everything you're showing here today at KitPlus is available now, shipping now?
Yeah, it's available now. Yeah, it's from the website, or it's through resellers. So we resell it in the UK as well. So.
And what's the best website for people to check out?
You can check out for more information. It's primelightdesign.co.uk.
Fantastic. Steve, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Do check out all the prompting solutions from PrimeLight on the website. And for everything else we're doing here at KitPlus Show, you can check that out at kitplus.com.